Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Create Art for Life. I am back again with another video. This time I'll be walking you through the process of creating a beautiful beach themed resin art platter. This DIY project combines the calming aesthetics of the ocean with the fun of resin art, perfect for your home or as a unique gift. So our student is making this specially for her home. So you can also join our classes and learn all of this by online or offline in our studios. So to show just the creation of this beach theme one, we have already mixed the resin for this project, and to create layers of the resin to mimic ocean waves, sand and coastal elements, we have added stunning details using pigments, glitters and sand and seashells for that perfect beachy touch. If you are new to resin and you want to know how to mix up your resin, how to prepare it, how to add pigments, we will make a full detailed tutorial as well for that. Just to let us know in the comment section below if you want one. So moving ahead, we have poured all the pretty colors that we wanted in the beach, and now we are trying to just merge them to make a beautiful shade and waves. Look how pretty it looks. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced resin artist, this project is easy to follow and perfect for creating one of a kind pieces of functional art. This piece can easily be used as a stunning platter or a tabletop or a picture frame. You can add a picture on top of it, and also in a form of a clock. So yeah, you have many options that can be done using this. So for this project, basically you will need resin pigments, seashells, sand and other beach theme embellishments, some mixing cups and sticks, heat gun or torch for bursting out the bubbles. So yeah, we have, as I said, we have already mixed up the resin. We will make a separate video if you want to know how we mix up the resin and add pigments. Do let us know in the comment section below. And right now we are mixing up all the colors and trying to merge it, like I said. And once it is done, we add all the embellishments, like you can see moss, we have shells, we have, to make it look more sea-like, we have also used some clay to add moss and reefs to it, coral reefs you can see. So it looks really pretty and convincing. Lastly, we'll add a fine coat of resin on top of it to secure it. And once we are good with the setup, here we will then next create the cells or the waves to make it look like actually beach has a lot of waves and cells going on. It's a moving beach like that. So yeah, you will see that in some minutes. It's a good idea to, after this step, it is a good idea to wait for a few minutes so that these don't float away and are secure and stay in the place. So once the resin becomes thick, it won't move easily. So yeah, at this step, if you wait, it would be really good. So zooming a bit to see how stunning it looks with the sand, the pearls, the reefs, the shades of blue. Now we have added white paint in layers to create that beautiful waves and cells, and then lastly we are securing everything into the final coat of a clear resin. And don't forget to burst all the bubbles with the help of a blowtorch so it looks seamless and glass like finish it gives you. After this, you need to wait for it to dry for a day or two before demolding it. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more resin art tutorials and creative ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.